Alright guys, down to 4. Just go with this one right here in the front. Alright guys, so extremely rare jacket to find. Alright, this is my second pair of this one. My second of this jacket. Chicago Bulls Adidas brand championship banner jacket. Extremely difficult to find. Okay, I'm not saying there's none out there, but I've seen hardly any. Okay, it's actually a 2XL. It's a bit over my size, so if you guys are interested in buying a jacket, shoot me an offer and I'll contemplate it. Okay. Banners on the back, all 6. Okay, let's try it on. Yep, it's pretty darn big on me. It's about 2 sizes above mine. But then again, this is the only one that was left. Alright, so let me get the other one to show you guys. Oh, well, first of all, let me give you guys a tour of it. Alright, pop this right here. Alright, and here you have it. Side-by-side comparison. Alright, so let me know what you guys think about that. Again, if you're interested, let me know. Serious people only. Okay, if you guys are not serious about getting this jacket, don't even contemplate on giving me an offer. Alright, but anyways, thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. Subscribe if you already haven't, so you don't miss any of that right there, guys. Alright, and I will gladly get to you guys soon. Take care.